Hello, future mathematicians. Welcome to CMAPEC. So, we are continuing with the parabola. Example 2. So, now you are given y, which is equals to negative 2x squared. We can also represent it as f of x, which is equals to negative 2x squared. So we want to know the equation of the inverse of f of x. So first we know we interchange x and y. Therefore it's going to be x is equals to minus 2y squared. Make y the subject of the formula. It means left with y squared is equals to negative 1 over 2x. Then you take the square root both sides. It means y equals to plus or minus the square root of what? Negative 1 over 2x. So this is telling you something, but you will see it when we draw the graph. The value of x, in order for this function to exist, the value of x must be negative. If the value of x is positive, we see we can get the error because we don't have a square root of a negative value. The square root of a negative value is undefined. Therefore, now we can say the inverse of f of x is equals to plus or minus the square root of negative 1 over 2x. Someone can simply write it as plus or minus the square root of negative x over 2. So now we want to draw this function. How do we plot them? Let me add the page here. So we want to plot this function. It's simple. F of x, remember we said the f of x is equals to negative 2x squared. Now the inverse, we are saying the inverse is equals to plus or minus the square root of negative x over 2. Then let's plot the original first. Here we have x-axis, and then we also have the y-axis. We can see this is a mother graph multiplied by negative 2. So the value of a is negative. It means the graph is sad. So it's going to be this one. Is our parabola a sad function. Then let's check. It's supporting the negative. It means also here it needs to support the negative, the inverse. So the inverse, it means will go like this. It's not beautiful as we wish. Let me redraw it again. Oh, wait. Let me get a perfect position for this one. Almost there. So here is that point of intersection. Another point of intersection is here. So here on the red points is where the x will pass through. I mean the line y equals to x will pass through. So now the line y equals to x must pass through here. Goes there. Perfect. Then what do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the line y equals to x. This is f. This is f inverse. The domain and the range. So let's tackle the domain. The domain of f. The domain of f, we know x, the element of all real numbers. But what about the range of f? The range of f, we say since the turning point of f here is 0 and 0, we say y, since the value of a is negative, is less than or equals to 0. Then let's do the domain and the range. The domain of f inverse, we are going to read the range of f, which is x is less than or equals to 0, and the range of the inverse, we are saying going to read the domain of f, replace x with y, means y is the element of all real numbers. Thank you for watching this video. We will meet on the next video.